Abusia Captain Kojo Smart akasa amanano akoinika the Penyah has started ka o madwen e in fact Captain Smart abedi iPhone users atem in fact we di atempa Captain edi atem ama reply aba me wan kire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say need mu obe like video no other man subscribe button so na click the notification icon latest update na be kire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section me so oba so a no I share for so anya bi ahwe onso oba Ghana hanom a omo ye presenter na say omo host program e wo TV so no sebe eya na omo act sede omo nko a nenimu nyansa ade ba kwa se me de mani atoto fuma hu a study wo mu ase omo se omo nko a nenimu nyansa so obi hu no so be tena TV so be kasa ana se oye show o host program o TV so a ase hu no se onimu nyansa sene onimu nyansa sene Ghana fo nyina Minke bi shame. Me ho no one send a video once Penyah. Hwase bi a Captain Smart. Captain was say ma mi go TV. Elda me call ya. Captain Smart. Na o kasafa national security. Any cyber crime authority for no any the national signal bureau. Omu technology omu anya yese ebetimi amomu anya access to break through your phone. Any other through social media ne e ho na Captain Smart e trust obetire mo. Se be Ghana fo ni be hu adena Sam George epes odeban emran opes odeban how a city say bia obia beda ne ho so and trust it and rely on your phone and ga say me phone there yentin break it through and na Captain Smart e man kiremu na ne nkiremu no ana say obeti say iPhone users and any atemide there Captain Smart di atem a catch sebe iPhone users omunya ya jimi for obi okra iPhone bia sebe wa jimi
Apple naturally America for ya ma jimi for Apple for kra do won mobo chen obi a obi o use Apple bia no oni security I go for guys say na Apple phones e was security. It's a lie. It's not true. Apple nkwara na use so we a Penyah wakwa animu kakra na woda use Apple you are exposed me catch ra wonne upa busa any security aspect any cyber security aspect so we use Apple wokrom ha na Apple 16 Pro Max and a 15 Pro Max and a 17 Pro Max, we are exposed. Baby, our phone used to be a material says yes, and person me one. But your friend is 0 click. I can just part him. Now iPhone no information in God will bet me the share Apple for you. Say Apple. Na say who person or the password to swa. Now that down. So you need about 8 or 10 or 11 characters. Lower deben. They are doing that because they are vulnerable. Apple ni phone was access any security. That is why I keep saying, say, your so-called Apple phone was made for people with special needs. A man who use Apple, ucha picture. They will never be no way the name come. But would you share the natural? It is a boy I am. Apple, naturally, America for Jimmy for. The reason was that criminals in America were interested in that phone because they are able to use it to hack. They are able to use it. One the phone here near my baby. It's America who said, no, you produce Apple more. Your security no be papa. It's Munya Jimmy for no monto. Mindi watemo mpacho, Mesrao. Mindi watem. Eti yeah, one of the moments I know I'm going to burn on Baron whiskey, no, one brandy, one woman drew boneno, that's all bra. Apple so at the what time you had the office or the Abiano? Nowadays, what in them chroma? Eh? The way you say, who could a mobile phone, my password, 10 me, person, you bra, and go for kind of messages if you don't know what I'm telling you. Android, iOS, no, a one way, a one direction, because a one coin or more dear. It is a whoopee. Whoopee so we hack it into one more system now. A part team. And see no more friend. Because it's 0 click. And see iPhone 0 click. Only Apple phones. And we want access to the iOS. It is a fair issue Apple. The iOS no easier to get into her phone. But some use Android. Android no Google and aye. It's been me if you bet me aye phone say see your friend Android. Na ya call Google. Na ya download. App aye here e dey be support your phone no. Your person phone no so a your friend phone no be good so say we so Samsung a your friend no Samsung no ye dey be here if smart. Say eno who person we ya I just download the tweaks to be able to go into the phone. And I say Android no a single click. iPhone a 0 click. Eno wumbre national security for mbre no ma call phone nim. But Android is difficult. You need a human intervention. And it's a national security for your phone. Me a chip on national security, me need GH boy corner chip, you know. Me iPhone back, you know. What me say the password? Because I can't home. Why a iPhone? A 0 click. But GH boy, sa iPhone am to no one corner G. Only G pakwesi G. On back no jai. Enti okono kuta Android nko ani ebisa ne password. Me so me Android ni ebisa me password. But iPhone ni de omo ebisa me password. Omo ye me password me catch say na je mu kumi. Because Android na yes Samsung, Alcatel. Then the phones na mo say enye papa no. Me mo bi adi na me nya advert mo bi a. Sa phones na mo say China phone enye papa no. Eno na ye ntimi mo wuram. iPhone and a board in iPhone 17 Pro Max no. Me akra me say I make my phone opa phone number mama.
Mama wanyim bie.
Say am pa mama obi yem bie phone line na frɛ. Na ma me phone number.
Mama wanyim.
Na me call phone no say ya nkyerɛ wo.
Gwe.
So the captain be di yatem. And what you say when it comes to phone, just say any security be just iPhone ni security be just say omo ye phone ma nkran say nkrari be di agro. Enti share. Captain Smart, Captain. Ma study near maybe. Captain Smart etimi kan de opɛ. Yen chain da. And then this government yen check Captain Smart da. Ye invite in a crowd. But and someone Captain Smart trying to show so eka. Atemdidie. Ene just enema etimi cause anger. Etimi se nipa ni bia bufuo. Ebetimi kura disturb the peace of this country no. Captain Smart trying to kwasi ya show ni so. Can free. No fan ho di. Ya invite no. Omusuro because MPP time na kwasi akeka we no mo chi ne tum. And I was there was yana MPP time ya chi me mako 35 times. Ya chi me 35 times go now kan kwasi asem. Now kan kwasi asem. Wanyini suya nyansa. Me use iPhone ni bi. Enti asmo kan no what di matem. Enti we ye ne ho ne ye ka bi tire ye ho ye. Because me class 17 Pro Max. Adam say class 12 Pro e wo ha no. Captain di matem. Enti na me buza question say enti Captain Smart gra no. Ni information onya free hene. Wo de nipa sebe ye research every mu. Waji me kura no for this simple term. Ko bu so mo e phone ho adwuma na bu so mo say iCloud e da iPhone so. Say the iPhone alloc it to the owner. Say iCloud e da so. Me say o kwa koyi iCloud no e free so a. Any say Android phone whether Samsung Alcatel wan and also say Google account e da so and Gmail and so alloc it. Now pese wo yi free so a dear hen e na ho adwuma e den hey Google account Android o fabre me but just ayi keke volume up ne volume down ne ayi power key keke e be yi free so am but iPhone hey iPhone iPhone just say you na wo new phone Android phone the most easiest phone without a security. Android na phone any security bia. Just now we baby akura afi na waba phone ma we use phone go ana because Android e was security sin iPhone. Just say bia wa bodam. Just adwen na wo dey out of form. Uni mu nyansa. Ana because ankura sin we. Just say bia waji wa share that tenase agimi. Ye wo no wa betenase agimi. Ana because ankwase akeka we. How can you say iPhone users ye ask for agimi for them how? Just because iPhone any security. We need as what they say. What due diligence did you make before coming out to speak this nonsense? Research by partner captain here, your better be can't and quasi can we? Research by ya. Now the way Jimmy Kakrakran, but so one year from what you must say. Say, oh, iCloud, every iPhone so. And it's a oh, Google account, every Android. There ain't a word you might add, no one can tell. As it stands now, Ghana, and you one. Server no mudi iCloud no ateko he emrofo na update iOS ya to the point almost server cram etimi enyi cloud bi. This a bypass no kram nwie no na bia network ateko so man na Wi-Fi. Enya common. iPhone is not a phone that you can easily break through. But I just wonder why na unim eti o ka ne nkwasi ade na bi say ade wa research bi ana e dey with all the yanking kan bi. Eti emami yes okay na mami musa AI mami musa Google na yen hwe ese phone by kra na wo security. According to AI overview, AI hrem say iPhones are often considered more secure due to Apple's closed ecosystem, which provide tighter control over hardware and software and more consistent and frequent security updates across a smaller number of devices. However, Android security can be equally strong on high-end devices like Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy, especially when kept up to date, as they have their own robust security features, and manufacturers are increasingly committing to longer update support periods. Ultimately, user behavior is a critical factor for security on either platform. We are seeing the security hackers struggle to break through. Hey, iPhone, you can take it or leave it. Hey, then go take what you phone when they come to breaking through the phone. Hey, iPhone, massa. Every blessed day, iPhone 4 almost update concerning their security bug fixes. They fix it. Every blessed day, so the update there be update, there be update on iPhone. Applications so there be update, and update be a security bug physics. And I just wonder, baby, Captain Smart konya the information we free here. Just say boom and iPhone security, closed ecosystem. Apple controls the entire hardware and software experience, which simplifies security management and reduces the attack surface. 2. Consistent update. Apple consistently pushes security updates to a wider range of devices, including older models, which helps protect more users quickly. Strata app vetting. The Apple Store has a strata review process for apps, which can help prevent malicious apps from reaching users. Then let's go to Android. Android more open ecosystem. iPhone a closed ecosystem, but Android a more open ecosystem. It means obi a one little knowledge in tech, the person can break through Android very easily. Very, very easily. Using spywares, spy apps, and I can even break through your Android phone. Do you know us? What do you mean? Me say, oh dear, mommy for your grandchildren. Me say, oh dear, where Jimmy kakrakra no. Ko we say mo mo yan phone what you must say. Say Android lock be that's na wo ko yi a, o the computer ko yi a. And say iPhone, iCloud e be that's wa. Dear hin na what you ma add ne. I rest my case. That is some of the TikTokers are clash with Captain Koje Smart.
Hwɛ YouTube bebree no ma bi wɔ hɔ mo nim Captain Smart wo ye Jimmy for me ka se me na kyerɛ straight me ntu sabi wo ye Jimmy for de ntia wo Jimmy for no me kyerɛ mu hwɛ ye tie baby ina wo tena wo TV station say a radio station o na wo ka say we the youth from Obuasi yenko underground mining yenko mining company AG omo underground na yenko pe de ebedi yanko omo underground poni o no mokum yi omo kum youth Penyah bi antima beka asempa bi anfa ho obi antima beka asempa bi anfa ho but that statement na we made here no you made that statement during MPP time no na wo kan asem no esa say na wo your campaign na yenim say a campaign na wo yama NDC ntine yenim say you are fighting for the youth of Obuasi. omukum youth no bepemene onka asem papa bi amfa ho yo yenim se de bianka wo tena o show so a obekai omampanyi na ma na hu se the AC na ntwaye but you never talk about it. Here me ka say me na chere Ghana for every mining construction bia okum kotra kra e wo mining construction so a ye wo tax out be ma omampanyi no nti nipa na yekunkum omo no e wo honom no omakunkum omo sa mining we ni so no ye wo sika company ndi be ma Ghana ban me kai wo sa waji sa sika no make sure say youth na yekum omo no wo the best settle omo family because sa youth no me NDC for o me NDC tax forces. Most of them no me tax forces. They fought for the party NDC. Me ka se me na kire ho. Se mo hre fin so a e ma kraman bia nsi. Aha se obaba ye campaign 2028. Wallahi. Ebe mo se sini. Ani sa mo MCs no. Hwe?
Ubeto achira wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.